Friday night pizza night. Yee! Okay, we're doing something really cool today for Uncle Tossie's birthday. We're making little marshmallow brownie ghosts. Excited? So we're making little brownie bite ghosts. So we have our marshmallows and our brownie bites. And we're using the funfetti frosting as glue to stick them on. So I made a little ghost with my cake icing in black. You like it? The little ghosty? And now we're gonna put them in the oven and melt them. You like that?